Right now, as you watch this video, is someone somewhere in the world working for you? No, when I say this, I don't mean workers or assistants. They are sleeping. But some people's systems are working. The world sold you the lie that time is money. If you work hard, you earn a lot. This is the most successful marketing trick in history. If time were money, the world's richest would be slaves working 24 hours. But the truth is the exact opposite. The truth is this: time is an asset, and money is merely a small, pathetic commission you receive when you rent that asset to someone else. The New York Stock Exchange closed. Tokyo opened. London is scanning arbitrage opportunities. A trust fund is automatically reinvesting dividends. An algorithm is dropping your credit score and raising your interest rate. While you sleep, wealth transfer never stops. Wealth is not earned while awake. It is protected and multiplied while asleep. An average person sleeps 8 hours a day, 56 hours a week, 2,920 hours a year. During this time, the old money systems don't just stop, they accelerate. Today, I will tell you not the fairy tale of passive income, but the active system architecture. We are decoding the mechanisms that fight for you even in your deepest sleep. Welcome to Fox Mind HQ. This is not a motivation video. This is a system decryption operation. By the end of this video, you will understand why you cannot get rich by working hard, how the system robs you while you sleep, and how to turn this mechanism in your favor. If you're ready, we're setting the alarm because this system activates at 0347. Many of you imagine sipping a cocktail on a beach when you hear passive income. This is a cheap fantasy built by amateurs. There are thousands of videos on YouTube. Earn $10,000 while sleeping, they say. All of them are lies. Harsh reality: there is no such thing as passive income. There is only a prepaid active system. The heart of a strategy that works while you sleep is removing the human factor. The less a business process needs human decision, the more valuable that system is. The elites leave decisions to emotionless algorithms. Buying a house and collecting rent is not passive. You fix the breakdowns, you find the tenant, you pay the taxes. How is this different from a low-wage job? Old money never utters the words passive income. In their dictionary, these terms exist: systemic leverage, automatic reinvestment, time zone arbitrage, trust mechanism. Let me give you an example. While you sleep at 300, an LLC registered in Delaware automatically issues an invoice. This invoice goes to a holding in Ireland. The holding transfers this income to a fund in the Cayman Islands. The fund algorithmically invests in a portfolio tracking the S&P 500 index. When you wake up in the morning, a notification on your phone: asset increase plus $12,450. You did nothing, but the system worked for you. So why do these systems exist only among the elites? Because the middle class doesn't understand the difference between labor and system. Labor earns money as long as you work. It stops when you stop. The system works even after you die. Warren Buffett has a lesser-known quote: "If you don't earn money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But this quote doesn't mean earn money the easy way. This quote means build a system, then sleep. Harsh reality: as you watch this video, someone has already systematized your labor, your taxes, and your time. While they sleep, your debts generate interest. While they sleep, your credit card interest grows. While they sleep, inflation erodes your savings. Where are you in this cycle? You are the conductor of this orchestra. The conductor doesn't play the violin. The conductor designs when the violinist begins. If you are indispensable in a job, you are not the owner of that job, but its highest level slave. True freedom is the system's ability to work flawlessly without you. In the past, to build an empire, you needed armies, land, and a king's permission. Today, the only thing you need is permissionless leverage. These are your invisible soldiers fighting for you, even in your deepest sleep. Now I will show you the anatomy of a wealth machine that works non-stop for 24 hours. This machine is not human. Humans get tired, make mistakes, make emotional decisions. This machine is composed of code, law, and mathematics. Layer 1. Automatic debt mechanism. While you sleep, loans drawn against old money's portfolios as collateral are automatically renewed. Interest payments are automatically deducted from dividend income. When the loan term expires, a new credit protocol kicks in. This mechanism we call the revolving credit facility works even if you never wake up. Banks lend to old money even at midnight. They give you an appointment at 9 a.m. and put you through an evaluation phase. Because their system is integrated into the bank's system, Layer 2, Trust and Asset Protection. A dynasty trust in Delaware or South Dakota automatically rebalances asset allocation at the end of each quarter. If a sector falls, the algorithm automatically shifts to other asset classes. While you have breakfast, your assets protect themselves. Layer 3, Tax Optimization Cycle. Offshore companies automatically set invoice issuance dates. Income is transferred to the region with the lowest tax rate. This transfer pricing mechanism automatically kicks in every day at 1400. While you take your afternoon nap, your tax burden decreases. Layer 4, Arbitrage and Liquidity. Crypto markets, OTC, over-the-counter markets, and Forex operate even when traditional exchanges are closed. Algorithmic trading bots hunt 0.01 second price differences. While you have dinner, an algorithm profits from the price difference between Tokyo and New York. Layer 5. Software setup. A software, an algorithm, or a bot can solve a customer's problem on the other side of the world while you sleep. Consider a B2B SaaS platform. While you dream at 300 at night, your system manages a company's data flow in Tokyo and deposits the subscription fee into your account within seconds. The bot doesn't ask for salary, doesn't unionize, and never makes mistakes. The bot is the most loyal employee of the modern world. These 5 layers are the most complex structure a human can build in their lifetime, but once established, they work until death. So, what is your system? Your salary. It comes every month, but it stops when you don't work. Your savings, sitting in the bank, but inflation erodes it a little more every night. Your loan, interest accrues, but it grows while you sleep. Harsh reality. Your system is working against you. The bank's system, the credit card company's system, the state's tax system, all are active while you sleep. Your only system is going back to work tomorrow. These 5 layers are the most complex structure a human can build in their lifetime, but once established, they work until death. So what is your system? Your salary. It comes every month, but it stops when you don't work. Your savings, sitting in the bank, but inflation erodes it a little more every night. Your loan, interest accrues, but it grows while you sleep. Harsh reality. Your system is working against you. The bank system, the credit card company's system, the state's tax system, all are active while you sleep. Your only system is going back to work tomorrow. While you sleep, decisions are made about you, and rest assured these decisions are not in your favor. But there is another dark side to systems: fragility. In 2020, algorithmic trading bots triggered each other and dropped the market by 10% in 10 minutes. The event we call a flash crash occurred at a time when people were sleeping. That night, old money systems were also working, but their systems had circuit breakers, that is, a safety lock, an automatic stop mechanism. What does your system have? Nothing? Old money systems don't rely on a single mechanism. They are multi-layered. If one layer collapses, another kicks in. If the trust collapses, the holding kicks in. If the holding collapses, the offshore fund kicks in. This is fail-safe architecture. What you call savings is single-layered. It disappears in a single crisis. Another truth. Systems require maintenance. Everything you set up as automatic requires human intervention at some point. The algorithm must be updated, legal structures must be rewritten. When tax codes change, the system must adapt.
Old Money sets up family offices for this. Hundreds of employees deal only with the maintenance of these systems. While you sleep, they are awake. Harsh reality. If you want to earn money while sleeping, you must first build a system with sleepless nights. This is a price, and those who don't pay this price become victims of the system.
So, how will you build the system? I repeat, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a system construction, and every construction starts from the foundation. Now be honest with yourself. Why are you still there? Why are you still renting out your time? The answer is simple but painful. A salary is a bribe given to you every month to make you forget your dreams. The system numbs you with the illusion of guaranteed income. That figure deposited into your account at the end of each month is an anesthetic that kills your capacity to take risks. While you think that money is safe, you don't see that the biggest risk is having a single source of income. Step 1. Identify the core asset. Choose an asset you will never sell in your lifetime. This could be a stock index, it could be real estate, it could be a business. But the critical point, this asset must produce value even while you sleep. Dividend-paying, established company stocks, real estate in a central location with a tenant, a software that generates license revenue. This asset is the engine of your system. If the engine is not solid, the system won't work. Step 2. Open an automatic credit line. Go to your bank. Open a Lombard loan or securities-backed credit line using your portfolio as collateral. Limit 50% of your portfolio value. Use this line for urgent cash needs, but never for consumption, only for acquiring new assets. The mechanics are as follows. Dividend income pays the loan interest. The credit limit is used for new opportunities. Without you doing anything, the system finances itself. Step 3. Trust and structural protection. Stop holding assets individually. Set up an LLC or limited company. Transfer assets to the company. Let the company issue invoices by itself, sign contracts by itself. This is not just a tax advantage, this is the system living independently of you. Even if you die, the company lives, and the company's rules are your rules. Step 4. Automation protocols. Link your bank accounts to automatic instructions. When your salary is deposited, let 20% automatically go to the investment account. Let dividends be automatically reinvested. Let credit card debts be automatically paid. Don't trust human memory. Humans forget. Humans get lazy. The system never forgets. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Monthly, measure your system's performance. Which asset yielded what? Which debt paid how much interest? What was the tax burden? But don't panic weekly. Systems are resilient to daily fluctuations. You check once a month, and that too to optimize the system. Harsh reality, building the system will take a minimum of 3 years of your life, maybe 5, maybe 10. But once established, even if you are 80 years old, that system continues to work for you. And when you die, it is transferred to your children. They continue the system too. This is dynasty building. Bonus information. Old money has even systematized their sleep hours. Did you know? Sleep is when your brain is most creative. During REM sleep, your brain solves problems. But what about financial problems? Many billionaires think about a strategic question for 15 minutes before sleeping. What should be the company's next move? Or which asset class will rise this quarter? Their brains process this question during sleep, and when they wake up in the morning, they often wake up with the solution. This is a psychological technique we call sleep incubation, but old money uses it as a strategy tool. What do you think about before sleeping? Phone, social media, stress about tomorrow's meeting? Your brain is working for your enemies. Old money's brain works for their systems. Another bonus, sleep quality is decision quality. A sleep-deprived investor makes emotional decisions. Old money views sleep hygiene as an investment tool because they know that one sleepless night can mean a multi-million-dollar mistake. What is your sleep hygiene? Remember, systems don't sleep. Humans do. While you sleep, someone is making decisions for you. Either these decisions are designed in your favor or against you. Today, decide which side you choose. Build systems, do whatever you do, but at the end of the day, ask yourself this question. If I woke up tomorrow having lost my ability to speak or my physical strength, would my wealth continue to grow? If your answer is no, sit down at the drafting table right now. Remember, the world is not a playground for those who work hard, but for those who equip the world with systems where others will work hard. If you want your system to work while you sleep, you must first build the system while awake. This is a bitter truth, but this channel exists for bitter truths. Stay at FoxMind HQ, learn the system, and remember, the most expensive thing is your sleep, because you cannot compensate for what you lose in your sleep while you are awake.